Cool. And he had some question about engine oil.
Engine oil. Continue. Push.
Like, see, engine oil, again, I mean, which you mean the grade or semi-synthetic, mineral or...
Fully synthetic.
Okay, fine. I'll just give a
वो session
small
एक दे
briefing.
दीजिए, हाँ, वो
See,
समझ में आएगा.
engine oil, again, there are a lot of myths about it. People think that more expensive the engine oil is, the smoother the engine becomes. No. Engine has to be, first of all, designed and engineered to be smooth. Only then engine oil will some way do any good to you. And very often I've seen people are obsessed by 300V Motul. But the 300V Motul is good. But most often we are spending money unnecessarily. You know, if you put 300V Motul, it is supposed to be used for about 15,000 kilometers. Only then it's worth it. You know, those synthetic oils are engineered in such a way they can take high revving for about 15,000 kilometers. But very often we put 300V and change it in about 3,000 kilometers. You know, so no use. You're just throwing away money. Instead of that, invest in good tires. Do something like that. So for a small example, my R1, for that recommended is mineral oil. Can you believe that? Okay, mineral, not some expensive mineral, also 250 rupees a liter, that's it. And it runs beautifully on. So don't worry so much, just buy good branded. Even Bajaj oil is fine, you know. And also people are very confused about the numbers which are written, like 10W40.
Please explain them the numbers.
Correct.
Why
That
the
is
numbers are written?
Very big myth, you know. It's basically there are two numbers, right? Like for example, 10W40. Now the first number, what it means is what is the lowest temperature the engine oil can take start before it starts to change the viscosity. Viscosity is the physical thickness, you know. So 10 doesn't mean 10 degrees. It is some engineering number. So if it's written 10W40, it means it can take a reasonably low temperature till about 5 or 6 degrees Celsius without changing the viscosity, and it can probably go up to about 35 or 40 degrees or 50 degrees Celsius ambient temperature without changing viscosity. This ambient temperature, not engine running temperature. Like if you park your bike in the night, in the morning if you want to start your bike, what would be the status of the engine oil? Will it become too thick? So that is the main thing. So in our kind of conditions like Hyderabad, you don't have to worry about how cold it gets. I mean, sometimes in December it can get very cold. It can get 3, 4 in outskirts. You know, it's possible sometimes. But you know, if I would suggest 10, you can start from 10. I mean, the lower, no problem. Like some of my Honda cards, they have 0W. It means that actually is designed to work under minus 15, minus 20 degrees Celsius. It's absolutely fine. Don't worry about the lower one. Worry about the higher one here, because we are concerned about heat, no? Summers and all that. So if you can get, don't get 0W10, 0W15, because it can take cold, but it can't take heat. It becomes too thin after a while. So that's not good. So if you can get a 40 or a 50, it's perfect here.
There is a periodic maintenance chart in your owner's manual. Follow that. I know showroom guys, they do not follow it. You make them follow that. If there is any issue, call me. I'll make them follow that. Understand? So this is, we have to work together to keep our bikes in good conditions.
See, if you can run them well, they're going to lakhs of kilometers. You know? Very often people say, I had to change the piston at 40,000. I said,
Kyun? I have done 60 on my bike, and most of the kilometers were around redlining. So I overspeed like anything. When I am alone on road, ऐसे पागल जैसा नहीं चलाना रास्ते के ऊपर. When I am alone on road, I ride the bike hard. So what happened? My bike's timing has changed, but the piston, everything else is totally okay.
Timing probably just because the timing chain tension, you know?
Chain tension has just decreased. So that's why the timing has changed. It is giving me an odd sound. After this ride, I'll go over and I'll correct the timing. So the timing also, how much will it cost? 200, 300 rupees, not more.
There's a tension of the timing chain from the crankshaft to camshaft. There's a chain. So that this has to
So
be
it
tension has to be
opens and closes the
Valves.
4 valves, na?
yeah.
Your bikes have 4 valves. So 2 of them are for fuel inlet,
Inlet,
2 of them
outlet.
are for exhaust, so that you can redline at higher RPMs. So you can see Pulsar 220s are here, they are 2 valves.
Yeah.
You can see their redlining is at 9,000, but your redlining is at 11,500.
This bike revs beautifully.